Follow along. Ounces of red wine. Just like that. Yeah. Oh, look at that nice looking roast. Dry thyme. You never have enough thyme on your hands. Anyway, I like thyme with my beef, so I'm putting a little bit more thyme, even though there is some thyme in the herbes de Provence mixture. And now, the next step, we're going to cover this, we're going to refrigerate this, and we're going to come back in just a few hours. Oh yeah. Subscribe right here. I'll be back. Okay, a few hours later, and that beef chuck roast is looking really good. It sucked up a lot of the marinade, and here we go. A few more ingredients. Giant carrots. Oh yes, she likes the big ones, and these are really nice. We've got some awesome Yukon Gold potatoes. All right. When they're when they're small, I like to just put a stripe around them like this. I did wash and scrub these really good, so there's no dirt on them. I do like them striped. However, if they're not consistent and they're larger like this, here's what you do. You stripe them, and after you've gone all the way around with your stripe, then you cut them in half so that they're consistent. Nice even sizes like that. So this will cook the same amount of time as this. Consistent sizes with the potatoes. Oh yeah, some more ingredients. We've got a nice rich beef stock simmering here. We're going to add about 2 cups of this to the roast. Okay, I've got a hot Dutch oven here. This is a large one. I want to say it's about 6.5 quarts. I've got a medium heat going, and we're about to brown our let's check the temperature here. Okay, it's looking good. About to brown our beef and add all of the other ingredients. Here we go. Let it cook. Oh yeah, look at that. It smells so good. Now before you turn it over, it's a good idea to drizzle a little more olive oil on there. You never get enough extra virgin olive oil in your cooking. Oh yes. A nice piece of meat like this, you turn it over one time and one time only. This is French style cooking, a la paysanne. That's what I'm talking about right there. Oh yeah. Okay, now for a full flavor and proper braising techniques, the meat comes out now, goes back in the bowl, and we start adding our other ingredients. We're going to put our carrots in the bottom. We're going to put a little bit more olive oil, a little bit more pepper, a little more sea salt, a couple of these potatoes, sun-dried tomatoes. Got about 6 pieces there. 2 cups of beef stock. The meat goes back in along with the marinade. The rest of the potatoes around the perimeter. Looking really good. One more ingredient. I'd like to put some tomato paste. 2, 4, 6 ounces of tomato paste, just like that. A little bit right over the top. Oh yeah. Now, we're going to cover this. And we're going to slow cook it in the oven, 300 Fahrenheit, for approximately 2 hours. Oh yeah. I'll be back. Oh yeah, look at that. So here we go. After a couple of hours, I want to show you just how nice this is here. The potatoes got nice and brown. The beef looks really good. There's a lot of juice in there. I will thicken that juice. Let's see how tender this meat is. Oh yeah, it's really, really tender. I'm going to plate it up and show you. And of course the potatoes are nice and soft. Carrots down here, nice and soft and tender, ready to go. So we're going to skim this extra fat off and we're going to thicken the sauce. Plate it up. I'll be back. Okay, so we move a couple of these potatoes and we can get to this juice. Notice at the very top there's a layer of beef fat. This is what we're removing right here. Just a little bit of beef fat without removing any of the stock or the flavor down below. It's just about 1/8 of an inch like this. Oh yeah, look at that. That is all fat. And after we remove the beef fat, the rest of this is beautiful stock. Okay, the stock now comes to a simmer. Using another saucepan. Got a slurry of cornstarch and water here, just until thick. That's what I'm looking for right there. Quick tasting. Adjust the seasoning. For a garnish, I've selected a few of these awesome grape tomatoes, and I'm just going to cut them all in half, give them a quick saute, and plate this amazing beef chuck roast up. There we go. Proper slicing of the meat here. Look at that. It's actually just falling right apart with the knife touching it. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. First I'm gonna put down the sauce. Generous amount. I'm going to go with a couple carrots, a few of these potatoes, and a nice portion of the beef. Okay, I don't have any fresh herbs. If I did, I'd be using thyme, rosemary. Got some awesome dried parsley. Thanks for watching. Try the recipe. Like, share, subscribe. Oh, that's gonna be good. Check out your sponsor. We're using this Kasumi Diacross. Love this knife. And of course, as usual, the butcher blocks. This is end grain maple. Really, really nice. Just added the sauteed cherry tomatoes for garnish. Wow. It's gonna be good. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes, with a juice groove, without a juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. Good. Oh, on a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection, no cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Here's a thicker one. This is end grain rock maple. The two treatments recommended are designed for working professional chefs' kitchens. There's a reason. Mystery oil is a food safe, ultra pure grade mineral oil. I really like it. Yeah, it's good stuff, and that's where I get it right there. It's used in combination normally with the board cream. Board cream is a natural moisturizer which seals out the elements, and it's primarily beeswax. I get it right there. Beeswax, let's see. Unbleached beeswax and food grade mineral oil. So these are the two products that we use, and we apply them monthly, generously, and you're going to learn more about that in just a moment. So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. So you use an applicator or a plastic bag, work it in a circular motion, do this monthly, and then let it dry overnight is preferred, and you can repeat. After it dries, you warm this in a bowl of water and apply just a few small dabs, and wow, it's going to be good. That is a safe cutting board. Every knife should be paired with a butcher block throughout the kitchen. Proper maintenance should be applied every month. The finished loaves. I love butcher block. Yeah, this is end grain maple. You can see it's ready for some more oil. This is edge grain cherry. It's been oiled once and then it's been sealed at the factory. It's really, really nice. I like it. And this one here, this is edge grain maple. So different looks and different sizes, different thicknesses. Edge grain has certain applications, end grain has certain applications. They're all on sale at your sponsor right there. In stock and quick shipping, you're gonna love it. By the way, this is an authorized dealer with over 50 years of combined experience in butcher block. So I suggest you shop with the experts. Get the best the first time. That's my motto. Get the best the first time. To apply mystery oil. Give it a shake. A little bit of beeswax and mineral oil, some other good stuff in here. I like it. First application, just like this. Swirl motion. Yeah. Okay, once you got the swirl motion down, plastic bag. Why? Because it's recyclable and it's not flammable. I would not use cloth. It'll absorb too much and it becomes flammable. Oh, look at that block. Really, really nice. You can see all the hard work has paid off just with the look and the color. Oh, yeah. If you need one of these blocks, contact your sponsor. If you need the butcher block treatment, okay, I'm in the kitchen. I've got this fresh basil's looking really, really nice there. I've got a razor sharp knife. You're wondering just how sharp this is, right? Yeah. Always good to start with a very sharp knife.